Akili, 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 akili.
5 chicks and a mango. A yummy yellow mango is ripe and ready to eat. One little chick stares at the yummy yellow mango. The hungry chick cannot reach it. Here comes another chick. 2 little chicks climb on the chair. They want to reach the yummy yellow mango. But the mango's too high. Here comes another chick. 3 little chicks ask a mosquito to knock down the yummy yellow mango. Sadly, the mango is too heavy. Here comes another chick. 4 little chicks shake the tree, but the branch is too thick and the mango doesn't fall. Here comes yet another chick. 5 little chicks sit under a flower, trying to figure out how to get the yummy yellow mango to fall. They think and think, then one of them has an idea. "Let's climb on each other," the first chick says. So, the second chick climbs on the first, the third chick climbs on the second, the fourth chick climbs on the third, and the fifth chick climbs on the fourth. They wobble to the right. They wobble to the left. The fifth chick grabs the mango with her beak, but the yummy yellow mango is too heavy. All 5 chicks fall down. The yummy yellow mango lands on the ground. The chicks giggle and cheer. They get their yummy yellow mango and eat it till their tiny tummies are full. The end.